Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underground here, and pretty much what this is a car seat cover. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and supposedly the material that they use on here is this material. And they do probably got some of the benefit of using this material that's on here. So they mentioned how it's breathable, it is waterproof, and it also probably got the protection you guys need for spilling, stains, fading, and dirt. And when you guys do purchase it, you guys want to make sure it fits. They do tell you guys where it does fit and where it does not fit for different designs for your car. So for the one that I got right here, it does give you guys a full set for the front and the back seat. They do have the option for you guys to buy separately, only for the front or only for the back. So whether if you guys want to replace all the seat or just the front one or the back one, that is totally up to you guys. And in terms of the color that we do have right here is a beige color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But first, I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the product. So let's take it out. So it looks like the first thing that's inside is a car seat cover for the front seat. If you can see how we do have two of them, and both of them are the same. So they do have the stretching material on here for you to stretch it on when you guys do put it on. And they do have the part for you guys to tie it on onto this part right here to get secure fit. So the way how you guys know which side is which is by looking right here. So this will be the top part because it does have the opening for the headrest option. And then this part right here is the bottom. So let's turn it around. This actually looks like in the back. And when you guys do feel the materials on here, it does feel like there's a good amount of cushion on here that feel really comfortable when you guys do sit down. But here it actually looks like for the seat option for the front seat. Now let me show you guys the other parts as well. So right here I do have the part for the bottom part. And they also provide you guys a different headrest on here as well. So if you guys are curious about what the headrest look like, this is what it looks like. But all you guys need to do is just stretch it and just put it over your headrest when you guys do set it up, which I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. I think it's gonna be a little bit hard for me to show you guys how to install it. So I might just have to actually install it and then show you guys what it looks like. But right here is what the bottom part looks like. I don't want to fully open right now because it's gonna be taking a lot of space. So I'm actually just bring this over to the car and install it to show you guys what the part looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the cover for the headrest area. So I'm gonna test it out to see whether or not it's water resistant or waterproof, because this is the easiest one to test out compared to the other options. The other option is a little bit too long, so I can't show you guys right here, but it is the same material. So here's what it looks like this side, and here is our side. So we're turning the water to test it out. So we see how we spill a little bit of water on here, it does submerge in. So the outer layer still gets wet, but when you guys look at the inner layer, it's not wet. So I guess when they mention how it's waterproof, they have multiple layers to prevent it from getting water inside, but the water can still go on here. So I wouldn't say it's fully waterproof after doing this test. I would say that it's water resistant. So here is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So the whole setup process took roughly around like half an hour to fully set it up, because you guys have to tie the knot in the bottom. Let me show you what I mean. So you see right here in the bottom, we do have the knot for you to tie it. So pretty much what I had to do is put this part right here underneath it, in between the cracks right here, to go underneath it to hold in place. So that way I don't have to worry about this part coming off, which is really nice. Same thing for our side. So this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up in the front. Let me show you the back. So right here is basically what the back part looks like once you guys do set it up. So obviously it would not look as pretty as what you guys see in the image when you guys do purchase it, but definitely give you guys that protection on here when you guys do put it on, which is really nice. And obviously the way how designed it is universal, so that's why sometimes when you guys do set it up, it might be a little bit baggy if you see right here. Same thing applies to this part right here and this part. When you guys do set it up, you guys need to put the strap in between the crack right here to go underneath it. So that way can hold the bottom part when you guys do set it up, which is really convenient. Same thing for our side and the back part right here as well. But here is what the product looks like when you guys set it up in the back. I do want to mention for the cover of the headrest option right here, when you guys do put it on, all you guys need to do is just put it over it. If you see how when you guys do take it out, it's very easy. So when you do set a cover for the front seat, they do have a little pocket for you to put stuff inside right here if you guys want to. So it is covering the back part right here, which is really nice. Same thing for this side right here as well, if you can see. And the way how they designed this part right here, they do have a zipper here, and a zipper right here, so you have to pull it down. So that way if you guys don't pull down your seat, you do have the option available. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice and quick test about it, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. It's supposedly for all these covers, it is washable. So if you guys want to throw a machine to wash it, feel free to do so. And then see once you guys do set it up, it actually looks pretty nice. And I love the way how they designed the back seat area where they do have a zipper for you guys to open it. So that way if you guys do have like a seat where it pulls down, you do have the option to unzip it to pull it down if you guys do need to. And the one thing that I do notice is that once we do put it on, it does feel like a high quality material. So not only does it look good, but it feels really good as well. And you guys do get that protection for the stain resistant and also water resistant as well, which is even more awesome. And having that spill resistant or the water resistant is actually really convenient, especially if you guys do have kids. So that way when they're drinking something in a car or something and they spilled it by accident, it is fine. And the cool thing about this cover is that once you guys do put it on, it doesn't block the airbag option. The airbag option still works when you guys do use it, which is really nice. And also if you guys do have a car where the seat is heated, it won't be affected. So feel free to still use the heated seat option when you guys do put it on. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality car seat cover that is water resistant or waterproof, spill resistant, and also give you guys a very nice cushion that feels like a high quality material. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.